The Newsmay BD08 is not just another mini PC, it's a compact industrial-grade system purpose-built for edge computing, digital signage, kiosks, and automation environments. After spending time with it in a real-world setup, I can confidently say that this machine is a silent powerhouse that over-delivers for its size. The BD08 arrives in a solid all-metal chassis that immediately signals durability. The matte black finish feels premium, and its fanless design ensures silent operation, a huge plus in noise-sensitive environments like retail displays or office automation. It supports both VESA and DIN rail mounting, which makes deployment versatile, whether you're tucking it behind a monitor, inside an enclosure, or installing it in a server rack. The passive cooling design kept the unit stable during extended tests, even in a warm workshop environment hovering at around 50 degrees Celsius. The BD08 redefines multi-display capabilities with 3 simultaneous 4K HDMI outputs, enhanced by extended display identification data and consumer electronics control. EDID ensures displays always recognize the correct resolution and settings, eliminating black screens and setup headaches. CEC allows users to control multiple HDMI-connected devices with a single remote. Turn one device on or off, and connected devices follow automatically. Ideal for digital signage, menu boards, and control room applications. From restaurants and retail stores to corporate lobbies and transportation hubs, deploying synchronized, professional-grade multi-display solutions has never been simpler. The Newsmay BD08 fanless mini PC delivers big performance in a small, rugged package. From triple 4K displays to secure industrial integration, it's a compact solution that punches well above its weight. If you need a silent, reliable, and feature-packed industrial mini PC, the BD08 is a must-have for edge computing, automation, or multi-display environments.